Assalamu alaikum. We can't hear you.
Earlier. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه سلام قول من رب الرحيم ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما ربي زدني علما मेरी जिंदगी का मकसद तेरे दीन की सरफराजी मैं इसीलिए मुसलमान मैं इसीलिए नमाजी The aim of my life is to glory of your religion. So why I'm Muslim, that's why I'm praying. Lesson 5, let's to see, we saw in Arabic grammar, a meaningful word is non-kalma. And there are three types of kalma in Arabic called ism, fi'l, and harf. Until unless we know the four aspects of a ism, mean the case, that is its condition, either is raf, nas, or jar, having dhamma, fatha, or kasra on it. Second, the gender, either it's a masculine or it is a feminine. And third, number is a singular or it's a dual or a plural, mean wahid, musanna, and jama. And fourth, the kind, either it is a common noun name or as a proper. We can't understand that word, we can't use that word, or we can't properly explain that. So today we are going to study the numbers. What do we mean by number in Arabic? There are three terms. One is called mufrid. Mufrid means a singular, one. And the second is musanna. Musanna means dual, mean the two. And third is the jama. Jama means plural. Plural means more than two. So these are the three words used in Arabic grammar. Mufrad, singular. Musanna, dual. Jama, the plural. Let's start with the musanna, rule of dual. Look, if we have at the end of a singular word, add ani in rafa, it make the dual. Just like we have this word muslimun. If I add alif noon, it becomes muslimani. It's a dual. So from the rough condition, that is the matan, if I want to make a dual, I just add alif and noon it becomes muslimani. What's about the nas and jar? If it's nas and jar, I will add yanu. So it becomes muslimaini. Muslimaini. The last letter of Muslim will have a fatha and the noon will have a kasra. This is the sign of dual. Muslimaini mean the two Muslim. Suppose this is the tanween, the matan, so the plural is Muslimani. And when it has a fatha or kasra, fatratan or the kasratan, then we add ya nun with kasra, it becomes Muslimaini. Muslimaini. The meme, this will have a fatha and nun will have a kasra, that is the sign of dual. Let's have example. وَلِمَنْ خَافَ مَقَامَ رَبِّهِ جَنَّتَانِ. Actually it's jannatani, but as we stop we say jannatan. So this alif nun, it is the sign of dual. Like this. وَضَرَبَ لَهُمْ مَثَلًا رَجُلَيْنِ جَعَلْنَا لِأَحْدَهُمَا جَنَّتَيْنِ مِنَ النَّابِ رَجُلَيْنِ جَنَّتَيْنِ. See, the nun have a kasra and the last letter have fatha. Rajulun, Jannatun, these are the fatha of the last letter. وَأَمَّا الْجَدَارُ فَكَانَ لِغُلَامَيْنِ يَتِيمَيْنِ فِي الْمَدِينَةِ. غُلَامَيْنِ. See, the nun has kasra, and the last letter mim have fatha, So these are the sign of that. We have a very beautiful and lovely hadith. We will show this. So how we make the duals? Look, I have a word kitabun. I want to make its dual. I will remove the tanween, put a fatha and add alif noon with kasra. It will be kitabani. For the nasb, I will add yanun, kitabaini. Jar, again the same kitabain. The next is jannatun. How we make the tasniya? I remove the round ta, open it ta, and remove the tanween. It becomes jannatani, jannataini, jannataini. Muslimun, muslimani, muslimaini, muslimaini. Muslimatun, muslimatani, muslimataini, muslimataini. So this is the one way of making a musanna, the dual, from a single noun. So this is the beautiful hadith. Look and try to memorize, because the first time when I heard it in my lessons, I got impressed and got memorized. Look, kalmatane habibatane ilar rahmani. Kalmatane, two words, habibatane, are very dear to ilar rahmani, to Rahman. Khafifatane alad nisane, they are very easy, very light in on the tongue. And sakilatane, very heavy, fil mizane, in the weighing, in the akhirah, hereafter. What are they? Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanallah. Look the beautiful and the lovely hadith. Kalmatane habibatane ilar rahmane khafifatane alal lisane sakilatane fil mizane subhanallah wa bihamdi subhanallah. Let's have go for the plural. Plurals are of two types. One is called Jamma Salim, other is called Jamma Mukassir. What is the difference? In Jamma Salim, the original noun singular remain intact. Just like it is of two types, Jama Muzakkar Salim, mean the masculine, and Jama Muannas Salim, the feminine plural. Look, the Jama Salim. Single word remains intact. Few letters are added at the end of the words, like from Muslim, we say Muslimin, Yanun have been added. We also use in English same. From book, we say books, we add S. From mango, we say mangoes, we add ES. The same way we add ya noon, wa noon to make a jama salim. What is jama mukassir? Broken plural. The single word broken or changed. No rules for is fixed for its making. Different rules. Just like from mouth we have amwat. Look, in amwat, the mouth actual word is not there. It have been changed. From kitab we have kutub. See, in kutub, kitab is not in original shape. We have the same in English. From knife, we don't say knives, we say knives. From tooth, we don't say tooth, we say teeth. So these are the different pattern of a different language. So Jama Mukassar is called broken, or the Jama Taksir. The example is just like we have got a word, kitab, we say kitaban, kitabin. Kitabane, kitabaini, kitabaini. Plurally, kutubun, kutuban, kutubin. Same, we have the example from makadun. Makad means seat, bunch. Makadun, makdan, makdin. How will be tasniya? Makdane, makdaini, makdane. What will be plural? Makduna, makduina, makdina. What about the feminine? Look, the jannatun is a feminine noun. We will say jannatan, jannatin. Tasniya will be jannatani, jannataini, jannataini. The plural will be jannatun, jannatin, jannatin, because for the feminine we add alif ta at that. So Jama Salim is that in which we add either waw nun or we add ya nun to get the plural. For the masculine, it is called Jama Muzakkar Salim, mean the sound masculine plural. For the feminine, look, this is the way. With the tanween, the matan, we add wawnun, muslimun. With the fatatan and kasratan, we add yan, muslimina. Okay, let's to have the Jama Salim Muzakkar practice. From Muslimun, I will have Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslimina. From Najjar, Najjar is a carpenter. Najjaruna, Najjarina, Najjarina. Khayat, Khayat is a tailor. Khayatuna, Khayatina, Khayatina. Fasik, Fasik means the sin person. Fasikuna, Fasikina, Fasikina. Let's to have another Muslimatun. It's a feminine. How I will make the plural? I will add alifta. Muslimatun for the dhammatan. What about the fatatan, kasratan? I will still add the alifta with double kasra, just like muslimatin. So for the feminine, what we do, we remove the round ta, we put alif ta with it, just like from muslimatun, muslimatun. If it is a nas and jar, we will add again the alif ta with kasra, muslimatin. Let to have practice. From muslimatun, muslimatun, muslimatin, muslimatin. From najaratun, najaratun, najaratin, najaratin. From fasikatun, make the plural. What will be the plural of fasikatun? Fasikatun, fasikatin, fasikat. What's about the khayatun? Khayatun, the tailor lady. Khayatatun, khayatatin, khayatatin. You will add alif ta. So let's have a look. Can you identify these words? What they are? Innal muslimina. What is this muslimina? Single, dual, plural, masculine, feminine, rough, nasjar. What is their condition?
Plural,
Yes,
masculine, and nasp.
it's sound plural, masculine, and maybe nas, maybe jar. In because it's both nasjar, it is the same. Al-Muslimuna, Al-Muslimina, Al-Muslimina is the same. So we will say Al-Muslimina, it's either in nas or either in jar. But it is a masculine, plural sound word. Plural sound masculine with nas or jar. What about this? Wal Muslimati.
Plural,
Sound plural
feminine,
feminine. Sound plural feminine with maybe nas, maybe jar. What about this? Wal Mu'minina. Again the same.
sound, sound,
Sound masculine
masculine, nasp,
plural
plural,
with either
plural,
nas or jar. Okay, Wal Mu'minati. What is Mu'minati?
sound, feminine,
You
nas,
are feminine.
Plural sound feminine with either
nas,
nas or jar. What about this word? Valkanetina. Sound muscular plural word, sound plural masculine word with either nas or jar. Because it's not with wawnun. If it was wawnun, alkanetuna, then we say it's in rough. Let's valkanitati. Sound plural masculine word with nas and jar. What's about this? As-sadikina. Was-sadikina. Sound masculine plural word with nas and jar.
nas,
Maybe nas, maybe jar. Was-sadikati. Sound plural feminine word with nas and jar. What about sabirati? Again same. Sound masculine plural word with nas or either jar. Was-sabirina. What is this? Sound masculine plural word with nas or jar. The raf will be sabiruna. What about this? Wal khashiina. Sound plural masculine word with nasb and jar. What about al khashiyati? Sound plural feminine word with nasb and jar. Kanitati. Kanitati again. Sound feminine plural with nasb and jar. For raf, it should be wal kanitatu. Dhamma. There is no dhamma. So it is either nas or jar. Wal musaddiqina. Again, the sound plural masculine with either nas or jar. Wal musaddiqati. Again, same. Sound feminine plural either with nas or jar. Wasaimina. Again, sound plural masculine noun
Nas,
either in nas or jar. Wasaimati. Again, sound
sound, femi,
feminine plural either nas or jar.
ojan.
If it was asaimatu, then it was in raf. What about al-hafizina furujahum? Al-hafizina is a masculine plural
Nas, oja.
sound masculine plural nas or jar. Hafizuna is the raf. Wal hafizati, again, sound feminine plural with either nas or jar. Was zakirina, zakirina, again, sound plural masculine with nas or jar. The feminine will be ati. Allah, Allah is a ism jalala, kasiran, again a ism because there is tanween. Was zakirati, zakirati is the sound masculine plural with nas or jar. Adallahu lahum
With feminine
maghfiratun wa ajrun
masculine.
azim. So let's go for this. This is the actually ayah. Bismillah. إن المسلمين والمسلمات والمؤمنين والمؤمنات والقانتين والقانتات والصادقين والصادقات والصابرين والصابرات والخاشعين والخاشئات والمتصدقين والمتصدقات والصائمين والصائمات والحافظين فروجهم والحافظات والذاكرين الله كثيرا والذاكرات أعد الله لهم مغفرة وأجر عظيم. So this was ayat. So remember, the sign of Arab are two types. Either they are dhammatan, fatatan, kasratan, or it is a single dhamma, single fatah, kasra. They are called Arab bil harka. Harka. Harka means tanween. Either double dhamma, double fatah, double kasra, or it may be a single dhamma, single fatah, kasra, that is Arab. In some condition, we identified the Arab with haruf, just like in tasniya, we say ani, ini, ini. And in plural, we say vuna, ina, ina. Or for the feminine, we say atin, atun, atin, atin. So these are called Arab bil harka, mean haruf. The haruf tell us either it is in the form of raf, nas, or jar. So these are the form. Let's to have exercise. Remember, this is a very don't find time to exercise. Make the time to exercise. You have to make time. You have not to find the time. You have to make time. Just you make time to go market. You make time to go attend some party. You make time to visit a doctor. You make time to go for meet a friend. You go to make time to see some sick person or to visit the relative. Same way you have to make time to learn something or exercise. So the table is, look, we have got a word Muslimun. Let's see how we can make the table. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. This is the singular. With the tasniya, we say Muslimane, Muslimaine, Muslimin. What about Jama? We say Muslimuna, Muslimina, Muslim. What about the feminine? From Muslimat, Muslimun, we have Muslimat. Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin. Tasniya. Muslimatane, Muslimataine, Muslimat. What about Jama? Muslimatun, Muslimatin. This make 8 and 8. Sorry, 9 and 9, 18. From one noun you can make 18. If it is akil, mean akil. The ghair akil, we can make only 9 forms, just like from kitabun, kitabun, kitaban, kitabin, kitabane, kitabaine, kitabaine, kutubun, kutubun, kutubun. Then we have a jannah, feminine. Jannatun, jannatin, jannatin, jannatane, jannataine, jannatain, jannatun, jannatin, jannatin. So this is the table I have shown you, and here are few nouns. You can make drill. Just like to have momin. How we can make the 18 form from? Mominun, mominan, mominin. Tasniya. Mominane, mominene, momin. Plural. Mominuna, mominina, momin. What about the feminine? Mominatun, mominatan, mominatin. Tasniya. Mominatane, mominataine, mominatin. Plural. Mominatun, mominatin. Same way you say just kazib. Kazibun, kaziban, kazibin. Kazibatane, kaziban, sorry, kazibane, kazibane, kazibane. Kazibuna, kazibina, kazibi. What about the feminine? Kazibatun, kazibatan, kazibatin. Tasniya. Kazibatane, kazibataine, kazibatane. Plural. Kazibatun, kazibatin, kazibatin. Same way, you can say sadik. Sadikun, sadikan, sadikin. Tasniya. Sadikane, sadikaine, sadikaine. Jama. Sadikuna, sadikina, sadikin. Feminine. Sadikatun. Sadikatun, sadikatan, sadikatin. Tasniya. Sadikatane, sadikataine, sadikatane. Plural. Sadikuna, sadik. Sorry, feminine. Sadikatun, sadikatin, sadikat. So in this way, you can do this drill. So you have got a lot of words. So let's go for us. We compound and single. Single is a single word, and when they join, conjugate, they become a compound. And the compound may be 2 or more than 2 words. Just like, look, compound is a tam. It gives a full meaning and understanding. And the singular, it is a nakis. It gives some information. Like, see, nakis, we have the compound murakkab atfi, murakkab tawsifi, murakkab izafi, murakkab jari, murakkab ishari. What's about the tam? We have 2 types. Jumla ismiya, the nominal sentence, and jumla fi'liya, mean the verbal sentence. So what is haruf ataf? They join 2 or more than 2 words or sentences. Just like ism plus harf ataf and ism, it make a murakkab, that is called murakkab atfi. Like we have a word khubzun, and waw is a harf, and ma'un, we join, we get a murakkab, just like al jahilu wal alim, al jahila wal alim, al jahili wal alim. So it have 3 forms. Either it in the rough, it is in the nas, or it is in the jaf. Let's have another example. Kitabun or darsun is rough, both in rough. Kitabun and darsun both are in nas. Kitabin and jarsin both are in jarf. Look another example. Al adilu or zalim, rough. Al adila al zalima, again both in nas. Al adili al zalimi both in kasra. So yarmulun is a combined 6 word. Yarmaluna, ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, nun, 6 word. When they come, and the latter they are exempted when noon is sakun or tanween is there. Just like Ibrahimu wa Ismailu, Shakirun wa Adilu. So Hamzatul Wasl rule is that when Alif Lam comes, the Hamzatul Wasl, which is a extra Hamza, not original, it is written but not spoken. Just like wow, I and Al Hasan. So how I will pronounce this Alif will become silent. It will be Wal Hasan. I will join the Waw with Lam. The Alif becomes silent. So that is the Hamzatul Wasl rule of joining the sakin words. How we do as-sadiku or alimu. It is not joined like that. It will be as-sadiku or will alimu. We will give a kasra before the sakun letter. Look, in asid sadiku al au kazibu, wow is a sakin. It had a sakun. So joining we give a kasra. Only one word is that which take the fatah. That is min or man. Just like minal masjidi. It will have noon will have a fatah for join. Then look, there are two words, ibn and ism. Their hamza is original. It is not removed in joining. Like al ibn, al ism. We will keep the hamza here. So there are four types. Let's have aksir. Khubzun wa ma'un. Khubzun means bread, ma'un water. So we will say a bread and some water. Al khubzu wal ma'u mean bread and water. Al lubnu aw ma'un. Aw mean yeah. So some milk or some water. Okay. Al husnu awil kabiu mean beautiful or ugly. Jahilun wa alimu, a illiterate and a scholar. Al jahilu wal alimu, illiterate or scholar. Al jahilu wa zalim, illiterate and scholar. Al adilu aviz zalimu, just or cruel. Kitabun or darsun, a book or a lesson. Al ma'u at tabibu, tayyabu, sorry, water and perfume. A house and a market. Darun wa sukun, house and market. Ad-daru wa sukul. Look, when there is a common and then we add the tanween. When there is no such, then we take them proper noun. A house or market, this is a common noun. We will say darun or sukun, we'll put the tanween. Then paradise or hell, they are proper noun. We will say al jannatu avil jahannam. Fire and water, al naru wal ma'u. Man and sun, ash-shamsu, al-kamru wa-shamsu. Some easy and some difficult. Sahlun wa sahbun. Difficult or easy. As-sahbu al-waslu. Sahlu. Some carpenter or some tailor. Nijarun or khayatun. A camel and a horse. Jamlun wa farsun. So no, you have to translate. Yes, khubzun wa ma'un. We will say a bread and some water. Al khubzu wa ma'un, we'll say bread and water. Labnun aw ma'un, which is some milk and some water. Al hasnu al kabiu, beautiful or ugly. Jahilun wa alimun, al illiterate and a scholar. Al jahilu avil alimu, illiterate or it is not and it should be or scholar. Al jahilu wal azalim, illiterate or scholar. Al adilu aviz zalim, just or cruel. Kitabun or darsun, a book or a lesson. Al ma'u wa tayyabu, mean water and perfume. Let's to translate in Arabic. A house and a market. Darun wa sukun. House and market. A daru wa suku. A house or market. Darun or sukun. Paradise or hell. Al jannatu or jahannam. Some fire or some water. Narun or ma'un. Fire and water. An naru and ma'u. moon and sun, al-kamru wa shamsu, some easy and some difficult, sahlun wa sahbun, difficult or easy, al-sahbu al-sahlu, some carpenter or some tailor, najarun or khiyatun, a camel and a horse, jamlun wa farsun, a book and a lesson, kitabun wa sabk. So this was the Qurani ayat we have done. Al Muslimina wal Muslimat wal Muminina wal Muminati was Qanitina wal Qanitati was Sadikina was Sadikati was Sabirina was Sabirati wal Khashina wal Khashiati wal Mutasaddikina wal Mutasaddikati was Saimina was Saimati. We have done this exercise. Now this you have to done from home. These are the Awwalu wa Akhiru, Zahirul Batilu, first and the last and the visible and the invisible. Zikrun or unsun, a men or a woman, Sagirun or Kabirun, a small or a big, Siamun or Satka or Nasukun, a fast or a charity or a sacrifice. Hudun or Nasara mean few Jews or few Christians. Azillatu wa maskanatu, humiliation and the disgrace. Lahbun wa lahum wa zinatun, a game and the entertainment and the spectacles. Annasu wal hijara, men and stone. Ghaniyun wa fuqrao, few rich or are the few poor. So this is the exercise. Let's to pray. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Allahumma ighfir lana qabla al-maut warhamna inda al-maut wa la tu'azibna ba'da al-maut wa la tuhasibna yawm al-qiyamah. Innaka ala kulli shay'in qadir. Allah Hafiz. With this, we have completed the lesson. If you have any questions, please ask the questions.